Hey, what's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? So, the topic I would like to talk to you guys now about is cloning. In more detail, basically, it's about human cloning. Um, so, there's been a debate on this for quite a long time. I remember when certain scientists cloned Dolly the sheep. The experiment did not work. Yeah, I remember it did not work out that well in the sense that Dolly did not survive for a long time. But now with increase in technology and developments in technology, there have been debates about you know human cloning and cloning of animals and stuff like that. Obviously, with Hollywood has obviously contributed to all these debates as well, in the sense that they always make movies on about these certain concepts. And you know I have some background knowledge on this topic because, well, my father is a microbiologist. He was a professor at the University of Maryland. He's lecturing in Europe right now, but I have certain background knowledge on this, and there are two sides to it. Some say it's ethical, some say it's not ethical. Um, some say it's ethical to clone humans, some say it's not ethical. Each side has its own argument. Um, some would say it's playing God in the sense that you know, you like creating a human being. But it depends how you look at it. First of all, if you're cloning a human being, you're not exactly creating an original, you know, organism. You are copying DNA of another human being, and you're making a clone. But with developments in epigenetics and genetic science, there has been debates among scientists in how they can alter genotypes and phenotypes within the DNA and RNA sequence of a human being. And with this science, there have been sayings how they can create the perfect human, you know, with the use of biotechnology and you know chemistry um, and genetic science, especially epigenetics, which focuses on changing one's DNA sequence. The argument they set forth for this is that they can alter a genetic sequence within the human DNA to create, to basically create a human being who doesn't have any genetic deficiencies, as in like disease and illness. And I suppose um, in this sense, some might say it's playing God, but it depends how you look at it. You know, um, they're already cloning animals, and you know, so cloning they might move on to the next step. I'm sure there's always there's nothing new under the sun in the sense that they might already be happening. Like, you might say this sounds nuts, but I'm sure there are underground laboratories, which top secret, which people obviously don't know about, and scientists are probably developing experiments and doing things that the public doesn't generally know about. When you read about these underground bases and secret facilities, and I'm sure some of that is already happening, maybe even more to more degree than people can imagine. So yeah, just wanted to talk to you guys about. Thanks.